Today we're going to create incidents using TaskCall's email server. When an organization registers, they're asked to choose a subdomain that will be allocated for them on TaskCall. If you choose ABC as your subdomain, then emails sent to valid addresses ending in abc.taskcallapp.com will trigger incidents on the service or user in your organization who that address belongs to. Every registered user will have an email address allocated for them based on their preferred username and the subdomain. Here we can see that the email allocated for me is adsme@test.taskcallapp.com. Any email sent to this address will trigger incidents that are assigned directly to me. Emails can also be allocated on services. This is done through an email integration. For that, go to Configuration, Services, and then select the service you want. Go to the Integrations tab and click New Integration. Give it a name and select the second radio button and choose the first part of the email address. Once you click Save, the integration will be completed and the email address will be available for triggering incidents. You can refer to the Services and Integrations document for more details. In this case, we're not going to create a new one. We will just use the ops fatal at test.taskcallapp.com, which has already been created for this service. We will first see how incidents can be triggered through the email address programmatically, and then we will see how it can be done manually. Here we have a small function that loops through a list of numbers and throws an error if any of the numbers is not even, and triggers an incident. The numbers have been set so that an incident will be triggered. We just need a subject, a body, and the email address that we want to trigger the incident on. And here is the function that handles the email dispatch. We need an email address from where the message will be originating and its credentials. The credentials are read from a secured place in this case, and then a SMTP message will be put together and sent out. The code may vary a little depending on how your email providers require you to do it, but the concept is the same. This is just a simple example of how to do it. So as you can see, just a simple one line like this added anywhere in your program can readily trigger incidents on TaskCall. Now let's run this code and see what happens. We've just run it, and it has already caught the error, and it has sent the email message to TaskCall server. And there you go. Incidents have been triggered. The incident has been triggered, and we've already gotten notified. We're just gonna go into the mobile app and acknowledge the incident from there for now. And so that's how we can programmatically create an incident. Now let's see how we can manually do it. I have drafted an email already, and it's gonna get sent to opsfatal@test.taskcallapp.com just like the other one, but we're just gonna send it now and see it trigger an trigger an incident as well. Let's go back to the mobile app and see if we receive the notification and we can see the incident or not. Okay, it looks a little discolored over here, but we'll have to, I guess, get out of the app again, and yeah, we'll come back in, and I think the color should be fine. Yeah, there you go, it's fine. And there you go, we also saw the incident. I think I accidentally clicked the wrong incident, but yeah, the new incident is there. We got the notification. There you go, the one in red is the new incident. This one, it says it's open. We're just gonna acknowledge it. That's it. And now let's go back to the web app, and we'll just try to see what the details look like from there and what the layout of the web of the incident details is on the web app. So that's it pretty much. This is how easily incidents can be triggered by email using a one-liner in your code or by manually sending one. It's very simple. So try it out, reference the documentation if you need more help. We'll see you next time.